the first thing you want to do is identify the channel. This is kind of the high effect, and this is somewhere around the low. I would say somewhere around here because this is a retest that's acting as a resistance. The next thing you want to do is a rejection of that level. Close enough, as you say, they are ranges and not exact levels. Third thing you want to do is wait for My name is Ayman and I am a moderator and a senior trader at Daytrading. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to scalp and adding into your open position with momentum using the 1 minute chart. The difference between this style of trading and the previous ones is this. In the previous type of momentum pinpoint breakout trades, we were using the bigger time frames, the 6-minute chart and the daily chart, to get into a position and then hold it for a trend. In this style, what we are going to be using is the 1-minute chart and the 5-minute chart. The trades require faster decision making, quicker reaction, and they usually take around 2 to 3 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button, and your comments and feedback will be appreciated. So yeah, let's go into the trade. So the first thing you want to do is identify the channel. This is kind of the high effect, and this is somewhere around the low. I would say somewhere around here because this is a retest that's acting as a resistance. The next thing you want to do is a rejection of that level. Close enough, as you say, they are ranges and not exact levels. Third thing you want to do is wait for the retest. So it goes from green to red, where we establish or start opening our position. You want to look for at least 2 more adds to your position, and the retest should be around 30 to 40% of the previous candle. You can see that the stock retested the previous candle, and then we simply add into our position when the candle goes from green to red. And the same thing we are doing into this position. Add after the candle goes from green to red, and finally all you have to do is just hold on to your winning position and start partialing on the way down. This is basically it, guys. Quick type of trades on the way down with the momentum. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you get any questions, as we mentioned before, your comments will be appreciated. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day, everyone, and see you on the next video.